Cha-chin. Thank you. Hello everybody, Master G here with Miss Addie. Let's work on our basic kicks. We're gonna work on our hook kick or Yap, Huri, O, Chaki. Yap, Huri, O, Chaki. One more time. Yap, Huri, O, Chaki, which means side twist hips kick. And you'll see why. Good. So from this, we're gonna put Miss Addie in a sideways position. Again, your first thought is you're gonna think about doing your side kick that you previously learned. So I'm gonna hold her belt. 1, she's bringing up that load like normal.
1, sir.
2, she pushes out that side kick.
2, sir.
But in 3, she recoils to a roundhouse kick position and pulls and hits with her heel, and then 4 puts it down. So you're hitting with your heel and you're bringing it around. This kick is targeting the sides of the head, that's where it's most effective, or the rib cage, or even the back of the head. Good, depending on how you move. So again, 1,
1, sir.
2,
2, sir.
3,
3, sir.
4.
4, sir.
So you put your side kick and your round kick load together. So your side kick start, round kick finish, and that's your hook kick. Ready? 1,
1, sir.
2,
2, sir.
3,
3, sir.
4.
4, sir.
Good. And switch feet.
Yes, sir.
Ready? 1,
1, sir.
2,
2, sir.
3,
3, sir.
4.
4, sir.
Good. 1,
1, sir.
2,
2, sir.
3. On that stance. Now again, I'm gonna hold her for a few, like for the first one, so she can really slow it down. Ready? 1,
1, sir.
2,
2, sir.
3,
3, sir.
4.
4, sir.
Good. So you notice how she turned her hip like in a side kick, like in that turning position. That's correct. And ready? 1,
1, sir.
2,
2, sir.
3,
3, sir.
4.
4, sir.
Good. And now a few without count. Ready? Height!
Hey!
Height!
Hey!
Height!
Hey!
Good. And switch feet.
Yes, sir.
Ready? 1,
1, sir.
2,
2, sir.
3,
3, sir.
4.
4, sir.
Ready? 1,
1, sir.
2,
2, sir.
3,
3, sir.
4.
4, sir.
1,
1, sir.
2,
2, sir.
3,
3, sir.
4.
4, sir.
And now a few without count. Height!
Hey!
Height!
Hey!
Height!
Hey!
Good. On that, let's see Miss Addie do this on a target. Now, I'm gonna give you guys a little treat for this video. Stick around to the very end and you will see Miss Addie smash through 3 boards with this kick at her black belt test when she earned her 3rd degree black belt. Stick around. Ready? Height!
Hey!
Height!
Hey!
Height!
Hey!
Good. And switch feet.
Yes, sir.
Height!
Hey!
Notice how she's hitting with her heel. Height!
Hey!
Height!
Hey!
Good. So if you're not quite at head level kicking, which is probably pretty common if you're just learning this kick, try to throw it at your waist where you can get it. Good. And we're going to show you just a fun variation which she used to break the boards, which is the spinning hook kick, just one time. Ready? Height!
Hey!
Good. So again, stick around to the end of the video and you'll see her do that through 3 boards at her black belt test. That's pretty cool. All right, that is our hook kick or Yap, Huri, O, Chaki in Korean. Practice what you learned, make it rock.